Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have here the booster pump motor, single phase booster pump motor. So I'll show you how to connect from the pressure switch, pressure automatic pump control switch. Okay, so we have here the plug or the cable for the motor. This is the control cable from inside the motor. So this motor is a single phase 2 HP motor, 1.5 kilowatt single phase. So it has a capacitor inside, and it has this single phase 3/4 cable. Okay, and here what I have is the power supply. So basically for this specific unit, we are connecting or installing this for the water chiller. So this is the tank, and this is the header, and there are three distribution of cooling for the tanks and for the motors and for the grinders. So for different application that requires chilled water. So this particular motor is the water circulation motor for the water chiller. So the water will be taken from the tank, and then it will go up or out to the chiller unit, the heat exchanger of the chiller. Okay, so before I go any further, let us stick to the topic, how to install or connect the automatic pump control unit. Okay, so basically you have to open this 4 screws. Okay, after opening the 4 screws, you will find here the connector. Okay, so if you read the diagram, it says that 1, 2, 3 is for the 1 and 2 motor supply, and number 3 is the ground. 4, 5, 6 is for the line, means the power supply. This is from the motor wire, power supply line. So in this case, this is the motor line, and this is the supply line, controlled from the chilled water controller. Okay, so we open this, and then we will install it here so that the water will not penetrate, and then this will cut and then connect here. Okay, okay, so if you look here, you have 1, 2, 3 motor from the motor cable, and 4, 5, 6 line, means a supply. So there inside you see that there is 1, 2 and 3, that is for the motor. 4, 5, 6 is for the line, neutral, ground, and from the motor you have B, U and earth. Okay, so in order to install, you need to remove this, and then remove this. Okay, then take the right length of the cable. Okay, and then we will gonna cut. Okay, so I'm holding the mobile on the right side and the left side, and using the tools on my right side. So we cut, okay, and then we will put the corrugated, this one, corrugated hose here, like this. Take the measurement, so from here and to here. So that means here we need to cut. To open this, and this, okay. So now we already spliced the wire, and number 3 is for the ground or earth ground wire. So we connect all the way inside, and then we tie it. And I get a cameraman. Okay, so that is fine. Next is the U. Okay, so we use the blue color. Connect here for letter U. And you tie it. And then the D. Make sure that the cable properly inserted. Okay, once it is inserted all the way through and tight. I will check all the cable whether they are loose or just getting disconnected. Once you are sure that it is well tied, then it's done. Okay, next we will do the supply. Okay, so completed already the connection for the motor. Now the connection for the power supply. Okay, so we inserted the black cover, or that's this sleeve nut, and then we will insert this inside like this, and then pull it all the way. Okay, then we will gonna tie this. Okay, so we inserted this. Make sure that the rubber seal is there inside, well tied, to avoid prevent water spillage or water entering inside the control unit. And then we loose all the screws connector. Once all the screws are loose, you can start to insert the cable. See how the length of this splice is like less than 8 mm. Okay, because that's the only requirement inside. You don't need so much of splicing. Okay, that will expose the wire, the conductor outside the pin. Okay, again, so we will follow here. Number 4 is ground. That is number 4. Number 4 is ground. Okay, and then number 5 is neutral and line 1. So we'll start with the ground. Number 4. Connect there. And then the tight. Number 5 is neutral, which is the color blue. Make sure that the wire, the conductor is properly twisted so that it will go inside. It will insert all the way through. Okay, so we have connected successfully the cable. Okay, so this is the live, neutral and earth, and here is for the motor, earth, U and B. Okay, so make sure that there is no overlapping of the wire from here, and the hole inside. Okay, now we will connect this securely for securing the cable. Lock to secure the cable. The function of this is, if by mistake somebody pull the cable, it will not get pulled easily, no, from inside. Okay, double check. Okay, now we can put the cover back. So basically, this to restart, this is the push button. Okay, this is the relay for on and off. By the way, make sure that the safety, the seal, the rubber seal is there installed, so that when it rains or by mistake water falls, water will not enter inside the controller. This is very important, this rubber seal. Once everything is checked and verified, all okay, you can fix back now the cover like this, and then secure. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Learn with Randy. So we did a big project here. We took the contract to build complete factory, a food factory. So part of the requirements is to have the centralized chiller tank, and some of their machines required chilled water, as there are grinding machines, and then holding tank, that needs to double jacket holding tank stainless steel. It needs constant cooling to preserve the product inside through chilled water. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Learn with Randy. So this is basically complete project, full factory. From there, these tanks and all, we did a full project.